Hello, my name is Anton Klischewski. I'm the Sustainability and Inclusion Coordinator at the non-professional sports club FC Internationale 1980 from Berlin. As the name says, we were inaugurated in 1980. We have currently over 1,250 members in the club, the majority in the youth sector. And the shirts of the senior teams are wearing the slogan, "No Racism." We made history in 2021 because we became the first sustainability certified non-professional sports club from Germany. And this year we are also focusing on the topic of social inclusion in and through sports. It is estimated that there are currently around 320,000 people with intellectual disability living in Germany, and unfortunately only around 8% of them are practicing regularly in a sport. Very few sport clubs here in Berlin, but also nationwide, are open to people with intellectual disabilities, and inclusive offerings for people with disabilities are the great exception. We want to change that with the Sport Diplomacy Initiative, because we build up a collaboration between civil society, that means us, the non-professional sports club FC Internationale, the disability sports organization, which would be Special Olympics Germany, and also a sheltered workshop in German, Berliner Werkstätten für Menschen mit Behinderung, so where we can find the envisaged target group. This collaboration will finally result in an inclusive trial day of football, and hopefully also the buildup of a regular sporting activity for people with intellectual disability. And also we want to deliver practitioners guide or an online seminar for interested organizations that want to follow us. Currently, we are planning the inclusive trial day. We have set date on the 22nd of April, and we are already in touch with all the respective partner organizations to make it happen. We want to create a unified sports movement inside the club, offering a real democratic sporting model. We want to establish a partnership on the municipality level, and also create a long-lasting partnership with the project partners in the field of inclusion, having in mind that Berlin 2022 and Berlin 23 will be the next national and also world games of Special Olympics. Inside the club, we obviously want to connect the members. We want to normalize encounters from people with and without disabilities. And we wanted to provide a best practice model that might be replicable for other local communities and also other organizations. And obviously we want to create legacy and a sort of scalability. So we want to develop a practitioner's guide for others to do the same. For me, sport diplomacy describes the use of sports as a means to influence diplomatic, but also social and political relations. And I think it's very fair to say that no matter of the cultural differences, the best case is that it brings us all together. It is an effective means in current crisis across the continent. I would say that the dialogue-oriented communication would help not only in the sporting field, but also on the geopolitical field. And yes, another plus side from sport diplomacy is that it encourages effective partnership between the civil society sector, but also the sports sector, the private sector, that everyone works together.